In this video, I'm going to show you how to paraphrase your text in QuillBot. Once you sign into QuillBot and you have your text, you have your account, go ahead and click on Paraphrase tool, as you can see right here. And on the left side, go ahead and enter the text that you want to paraphrase. As you can see, I have the text right here, right? And so once you select the text, you can either do the entire thing or you can just highlight portion of the text and do it. But in this case, I'm going to just paraphrase the entire thing and click Paraphrase, and you can see that right away it's starting to paraphrase the entire text. Once that is done, guys, you will see that you have your text there and it shows you the amount of words that it actually, basically paraphrase everything, the total. As you can see in this one, it is paraphrasing all of this text, and as you can see, it is here as well. So as you can see right here, I paraphrase the entire text, and you can always go ahead and even rephrase certain text as well. So let's say a certain text is written in a certain way, you can hover over it and you can rephrase it if you want as well. So you can always go ahead and try these different things, right? But that's it. That's how to paraphrase your text, guys, in QuillBot.